Starting at the City of Kingston homepage, we can navigate to the Dash online portal by clicking Business - Planning Approvals. On our Dash webpage, users can access our active applications map, search for planning applications in Dash by address, or submit an application. To create an account, we will click Submit an Application, then click the Apply Now to navigate to the Dash public portal. Now that we're on the Dash portal, we will register for a new account by clicking the Register for an Account link. To create an account, you will need to choose a username and password and provide contact information so Dash can provide notifications. To start, you will need to review the general disclaimer, check the box stating that you have read and accepted the above terms, and click the Continue Registration button to advance. You will then need to enter a username, email address, and password. The password must contain at least 6 characters and contain 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. You will also need to provide a security question and answer in case you forget your password. You will now need to fill out your contact information. First, you would identify yourself as an individual and click Continue. Fill out the remaining contact information. This information ensures that the city has your most up-to-date mailing address, phone, and email to ensure we can contact you regarding your file. You can update this information anytime as needed. Dash will identify if your account matches an existing account or not in case you have already created an account in the past. When finished, click Continue and then Continue Registration. Account should now be registered successfully. However, it is not activated yet. For security purposes, you should receive an email from Dash as a verification step that provides a link to activate your Dash account. This is a necessary step to activate your account. Once you click the link in the email, your account will be activated and you can log in to Dash to start submitting your application. If you did not receive your verification email, first check your spam or junk folder in your email client, or contact the Planning, Building, and Licensing Department and we can activate your account for you.